What's good YouTube, it's your boy Eben back at it again with another video. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can design your book cover using Adobe Photoshop. Coming up. So welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, my name is Eben and I'm a graphic designer and a digital artist. And what I do on this channel is that I teach people what I know about graphic design, ranging from how to design your custom flyers and basic stuff just like the one in this video. And if you're interested in learning this, kindly click on the subscribe button and also enable post notifications so you'll be notified anytime I release a new video. So without wasting more time, let's jump right into it. The first thing I need to do now is to create a new document. So the document is going to be sized in this format. Just copy my settings. 8.5 inches by 11 inches in height, 8.5 inches in width. Just press OK, then wait for it. So when we have this here, guys, we have it. The next thing I want to do now is to import my picture that I'm going to be using for the book cover. So just press Ctrl O and look for your picture. Okay, this picture right here. I got a picture from Splash.com. Splash.com is a really cool website to get free images to use for your graphic design, and I think it's pretty cool. And I will link the portfolio of this person that snapped this image down in the description below, so you can check the page out and then maybe you need any of the photos. So just adjust, make the image set for your book cover the way you want it to be. And also there are more to designing a book cover than just doing this. Book cover is very essential to know how to get the perfect size, so you will not go and design what wants to work perfectly for the book you want to create. So I'm going to make a new video very soon where I'm going to be telling you guys everything you need to know on how to create a book cover in Adobe Photoshop. This is just to, maybe you want to design for an ebook, you can just simply use this and you can get some work done for yourself. But if you're going to be designing for a book that will be printed, you need to know some certain things about the book, how thick the book is, maybe it's a soft cover book or a hard cover book. So I'll be covering that in my subsequent tutorial. So if you don't want to miss out of this, make sure you smash that subscribe button and also hit the like button. So the next thing I want to do now is to add the ingredients to it, just to give it more life. So I'm going to add the ingredients of black and then some transparent red. So I think, let me bring it down a little bit. Okay, just press OK. So next thing I want to do now is to add the title, and I'm going to be using this font. It's a free font that I created with Photoshop. So I'm going to name it Woman. Let's just give it a basic title. It's just a fictional design. I'm not designing for anybody, it's not for any client. So let's just write something, Woman. And then next thing I want to do now is to write the name of the author. Let's just say her name is Ruth David. So let's use some script fonts for the name. So I got a font here, Aguavina scripts. So I made a video on how to install your font in Adobe Photoshop, and that was when I installed this font. If you want to watch the video, you want to know how to install the new font in Adobe Photoshop, I will link the video up in the YouTube card above so you can watch that after you finish watching this tutorial. So we have the name here, Ruth David. Let's give it some spacing, and then okay, I think it's cool. It's right underneath it. So the next thing I want to do now is to import our mockup, the mockup we're going to be using. So I got this free mockup from Mockup World. Is it Mockup World? Let's confirm. It's a free mockup. I will drop the link in the description down below so you can check it out and also download it and then give attribution to the owner of the font. Since it is a free font, you need to attribute to the owner. Okay, so this is the font here. I got a font from Graphics Google, or I don't know. So just delete the top layer and then we have the mockup here. Open this group and then you will see this first one, which is Place Book Cover Design. That is where that is for this place where the book cover replaced and this. So let's just double click on it and then it's okay. So come back here, merge your layers together, merge visible, and then unlock this and drag and drop. Okay, so what you're going to do now is to save this by pressing Ctrl S, and then when that is done you can just simply close this, and when you go back to it you will see that your design will have been replaced and then you have your book cover there. The next thing you want to change now is the book spine, this side of the book. You can't just leave it like this, so let's just design that real quick. So just double click on it and then it will open it for you. So let's select a solid color, black, and then let's add some gradients. The exact gradient we added on the book cover, and then this should be the red with so what you want to do now is that you want to type the book, the title of the book. Let's go back to our fonts, Frantic, Gothic, Demi. So you want to type the title of the book, and then the name of the author. We use Roots David. So press Ctrl C and then flip it by just pressing rotate 90 degree and then apply it and drag down and make it fit. I think this is actually okay. So save it by pressing Ctrl S and then close it. By the time you come back, you have it there, guys. It has been replaced and it looks very much better than this. So one more thing with this mock-up is that you can actually change the background of the color. I don't really like this white, it makes it look somehow, so I'm going to change the color down here. So let's look for a better color to use. I think we should use black. Yeah, black. I don't know, it's cool with this black. So that's it for this tutorial. So this is how to design your book cover in Adobe Photoshop. Like I said earlier, this is not guaranteed to give you 100%. This is not guaranteed to make you design for a book cover that is going to be printed, as you need to know some of the tips and tricks you need to do before you can design a book cover. So if you really enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel to see more of my content. Sure to make some more amazing videos for you guys, and also follow me on my social media platform and also join my Facebook group. The link is down in the description below, and I'll be sure to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.